Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to discuss our seventh point, distributive property. In previous video, we learned about different properties, and uh, the most important property is distributive property. Okay. Now, in this property, we have two types. The first, the first is distributive property over addition, and the second is distributive property over subtraction. Okay, so we discuss on these two properties. So first distributive property over addition. Now, according to this property, we express the mathematical formation of this property by the statement a into b plus c is equals to a into b plus a into c. Now, this is known as the mathematical formation of this property. Okay. Now, to explain this property, we take an example. Now, example is solve 35 into 101 by distributive property. Now, we can multiply these two numbers easily using this property. Now, according to this property, we want to distribute a number in two parts. Okay, so we choose a number, that is 101 is convert into two, break into two numbers, and which is 100 plus 1. So take 35 into 101. Okay, so it is written as 35 into 100 plus 1. Okay, according to this property. Okay, now we compare these two statements. When we compare these two statements, we have a is equals to 35, b is equals to 100, and c is equals to 1. Clear? Now, after that, substitute the value of ABC in the given expression. So we find that 35 into 100 plus 35 into 1, and simplify this expressions, and finally we get answer 35. Okay, so it is the first type of distributive property. Now we discuss the second part, distributive property over subtraction. Now, according to this property, we express the mathematical expressions as follow: a into b minus c is equals to a into b minus a into c. So it is known as the distributive property over subtraction. To explain this property, we take again an example. Solve 56 into 98 by distributive property. Okay, so again we break 98, we can write 90 as 100 minus 2. 100 minus 2 is also 98. Now compare the statements with the given property. So we have a is equals to 56, b is equals to 100, and c is equals to 2. By this property, substitute the value of a, b, and c. After that, we simplify the given expression, and finally we get the answer 5488. Okay, so we can simplify easily an expressions using distributive property. This property is a very important property to solve any type of simplification. Okay, thank you.